Today's star of the shave is GoodFellas Smile Valynor Razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is GoodFellas Smile Valynor Razor. I'm using also a Filoso blade. Of course, my beautiful bougie sprayer. A beautiful Yaqi synthetic, Yaqi handle. It's a Barbershop one. I don't know what this combobulated already. Yeah, it's just the beginning. My beautiful timeless lather bowl, and S.O.T.S soap company leather tobacco. Wow, let's get to the shave. I was thinking, what should we shave and chat about? And something just came on me in the last second. I had like a million things I wanted to talk about. How my day was, what I did, things I watched on YouTube, things I read on books, but there's this one word that came to mind. Thankful. Let's talk about what are you thankful for. Please leave it in the comments what you're thankful for, and I'll go over what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for being alive. Big thing, because if you're not alive, then how can you live your life? What are you thankful for? I'm curious. So yeah, I was going over, I'm thankful for being alive. And I was thinking, but you have the setbacks. But I'm like, hey, setbacks are just ways that you could get back. Whoosh, ha, ba, ba. Oh, wait, let me stop this gibber. It's part of me. That's who I am. But yeah, the word before, like literally, I was like a million things in my head. Literally, one word came to mind. And that's being thankful. I'm thankful for the opportunity to do shave and chat videos for the Razor Company. I'm thankful for being healthy somewhat. I mean, physically, yes. You only have one physical health. Mentally, I'm still a work in progress. So I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for having the opportunity to work on my mental health and being, improving, self-improving. I'm thankful for I'm able to be social. I'm not locked up or somewhere in jail or in a prison or as a hostage somewhere. A lot of things you could be thankful for. I'm thankful that I could talk, eat, sleep, and use the bathroom by myself. Yeah. I'm proud to use the bathroom by myself. I'm thankful to take a shower, have a roof over my head. I'm thankful for people like you watching this video so I can inspire you to say, what am I thankful for? Thankful is, I forgot how many, THANKFUL. I'm spelling it right, yeah? It's 8 letters. 8 simple letters mean the whole world to you. What you may not have, let me backtrack. What you have, maybe someone dreams about. So remember that. Your situation right now is someone's dream life. And I was thinking about that. I saw a lot of things, homeless people out there that are not fully put together mentally, and I'm like, that could have easily be me or any one of us, depending on circumstances. So I'm being thankful for what I have, and thankful for the community, the wet shaving community that I call my family, that supports me. Oh man, this smells good. Thankful for my mom. I'm not the easiest person to get along with, and when she sees me, she tolerates me. I'm thankful for that. Because sometimes I want to take a vacation for myself. I'm thankful for the growth of the person I am. If I keep saying the word thankful more, please don't turn it into a drinking or some type of weird game. Thank you. I'll be thankful for that. I'm doing this because it came to my heart. It's like, you ever had like that aha moment? Today, I want to share with you my aha moment in this shave and chat for the Razor Company. So yes, let's all be thankful. I gotta do that, my little quirks. You've seen enough of my videos and lives and all sorts of things. They know I'm a little quirky person. But I really think my sincerity comes through. And I'm thankful that I'm sincere. And I'm thankful that people see that I am trying to improve myself as a person. Oh God, I'm trying. And I'm trying to be a better human being. Not for me, for being there for others. And that took a long time to get back to being a human again. It's like you used to ride a bike a lot and you stopped riding, but then you go back to ride that bike and you fall off. But once muscle memory, something just clicks in. And I'm thankful that I'm a human being again. Because literally I was not a human being. I mean, I don't want to start trouble, but I wasn't human. I wasn't even an animal. I was just something that I'm trying to find the words to say, but I wasn't a person. I was just beaten down. And I'm thankful that I'm no longer beaten down mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. The physical part I wasn't, thank God. But it was the other parts that really, really beat me down. Like, made me feel like that wasn't worth anything. And having a community really helps. That becomes your family. You don't know how important that is, and I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for this beautiful mild razor with the Filoso blade. For me, it pairs great. How about you? Let me know in the comments. What blade do you use with this Valynor GoodFellas razor? Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me know. And if you're a Filoso fan, what razor do you use with the Filoso? You see, you can mix and match. Oh. Let me rinse off. Whew. Beautiful shave. Oh, earpiece falling off again. I'm being generous with this beautiful splash because I'm thankful I have it. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? I'm thankful for that. Well, I use the Subtle Arts Soap Company leather tobacco. I used, of course, my bougie sprayer. A beautiful Yaqi synthetic barbershop brush. Beautiful timeless lather bowl. And of course, the star to shave, the GoodFellas Smile Valynor razor. With a Filoso blade. Oh, by the way, this is like a 4-piece because not only can you take the bottom off, you see? It has the head and it has, it looks like something from Lord of the Rings, you see? Wow, you stayed to the end of this video. Again, I'm thankful. If you have time, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone, go to Instagram. Go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live to see 4 great people talk about wet shaving and a great audience. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And remember, someone out there is thankful for you. And I'm thankful for you watching. Have a beautiful life.